In this sacred space, we open our hearts and minds to the boundless possibilities of healing. With each breath, we inhale the life-giving energy that surrounds us, feeling it permeate every fiber of our being. Today, we start on a journey of profound transformation, guided by the unwavering belief that every cell in our bodies possesses the innate wisdom to repair and renew itself. We come together with gratitude, acknowledging the divine intelligence that orchestrates the intricate dance of life within us. May this gathering be a sanctuary of hope, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, and a celebration of the miraculous healing power that resides within each and every one of us. The human body is an incredible machine, finely tuned and equipped with the ability to fix itself. When cells are damaged due to injury or everyday wear and tear, the body immediately sets to work to repair or replace these cells. This process is ongoing and happens without us even noticing most of the time. But how does this happen? At the core of this healing process are the cells themselves. Each cell in your body has a specific function, and they react to damage by either patching themselves up or signaling for help. This help comes in the form of proteins and certain types of cells that specialize in repair, such as white blood cells. These repair cells rush to the site of damage, cleaning out any debris and constructing new tissue. This might sound like a complex process, but it's happening right now as you listen to this. From your skin to your internal organs, every part of your body is involved in a constant cycle of renewal and repair. Understanding this can be empowering. It shows us that our bodies are naturally inclined towards health and wellness. So the better we support our body's natural processes, the more effectively it can perform these miraculous repairs. Now, let's talk about something equally important as the physical aspects of healing, your mindset. It's fascinating how much our state of mind can impact our physical health. Think about it. When you're feeling positive and happy, your body seems to respond better. You might recover from a cold quicker or feel more energetic. And this isn't just a coincidence. And studies have shown that a positive attitude can boost your immune system, reduce stress hormones, and promote faster healing. This happens because your brain can send signals to your body that improve its ability to fight off illness and repair tissue. When you maintain a mindset focused on health and positivity, you essentially help your body's natural healing processes to function more efficiently. But how can you cultivate such a mindset? It starts with awareness. Be mindful of your thoughts and emotions. When you catch yourself feeling negative or stressed, take. Moving from the power of mindset, let's discuss another crucial aspect of supporting your body's healing abilities, nutrition. Your cells need specific nutrients to function optimally and repair themselves when damaged. By feeding your body the right nutrients, you can speed up the repair process and ensure that your cells operate at their best. Proteins such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc and selenium, play critical roles in cell repair. Vitamin C, for example, is not only a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, but also a key player in the production of collagen, which helps repair and maintain your skin, blood vessels, bones, and other tissues. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and in flax seeds are also essential. They help reduce inflammation, which can accelerate healing and improve cellular health. Including these foods in your diet can significantly benefit your body's ability to heal and maintain optimal health. To make these nutrients a regular part of your diet, consider incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Each meal doesn't have to be perfectly balanced, but aiming for a variety of nutrients throughout the day will help ensure your cells get what they need to thrive. Just as nutrition is vital to cell repair, so is hydration. Water is the medium in which all cellular processes take place, including the healing and repair of tissues. Every cell in your body needs water to function properly. And without adequate hydration, your body's healing mechanisms can be significantly hampered. Think of water as the transportation system of your body. It carries nutrients to cells, helps remove waste products, and maintains the environment necessary for cellular activities. When you're dehydrated, everything from your metabolism to your cell's ability to repair itself slows down. And to stay properly hydrated, aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. If you find it difficult to drink enough water, try adding slices of fruits like lemon or cucumber for flavor, or drink herbal teas that are low in caffeine. Remember, your hydration needs might vary based on your lifestyle and health, so listen to your body and adjust as needed. While we look into the factors that influence cellular health, let's focus on another critical element: sleep. The role of sleep in health and recovery cannot be overstated. During sleep, your body enters a state of repair and regeneration. This is when the most intensive cell repair occurs, including the production of hormones that stimulate tissue growth and repair. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a robust immune system, which is your body's defense mechanism against infections and illnesses. It's also during sleep that the brain clears out waste products that could potentially harm cells if they accumulate. And by ensuring you get enough rest, you're not just preventing fatigue, you're also promoting the optimal functioning and healing of every cell in your body. But how much sleep is enough? For most adults, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night is ideal. Creating a bedtime routine can help you achieve this. Try to go to bed at the same time every night, minimize exposure to screens an hour before bed, and create a comfortable sleeping environment that is cool, quiet, and dark. These practices can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Another vital component of cellular health is physical activity. Exercise isn't just about weight management or building muscle. It's also crucial for cellular health and regeneration. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, which helps shuttle oxygen and nutrients to cells throughout the body. This not only nourishes the cells, but also removes waste products that could potentially damage them. Exercise also helps to boost your body's production of antioxidants. These molecules combat free radicals, unstable atoms that can cause damage to cells, potentially leading to inflammation and disease. By increasing antioxidant levels, exercise helps protect your cells and supports their function and longevity. What types of activities are beneficial? The good news is that you don't need intense, prolonged workouts to reap these benefits. Moderate activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or yoga done consistently can significantly improve your cellular health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, as recommended by health guidelines. Remember, the key is consistency, so choose activities you enjoy and can stick with long term. Transitioning from physical activity, let's consider another critical aspect of maintaining cellular health: managing stress. Chronic stress can be a significant barrier to cellular repair and overall health. It disrupts your body's natural healing processes and can lead to inflammation, which damages cells and impedes their ability to function optimally. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining cellular health. When stress levels are controlled, your body can focus more effectively on healing and regeneration. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness can be incredibly effective in reducing stress. Engaging in these practices regularly can help lower cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, thereby protecting your cells from the detrimental effects of chronic stress. Implementing a daily stress reduction routine can be simple. You might start with just 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation each morning. Gradually, as you become more comfortable, you can extend this time or add other practices like journaling or gentle yoga. The goal is not to eliminate stress completely, but to manage it effectively so that it doesn't interfere with your body's natural healing processes. Another way to support your body's cellular health is by minimizing exposure to harmful toxins. Toxins from the environment, such as pollutants, chemicals, and even additives in food, can cause cellular damage and slow the healing process. By reducing exposure to these harmful elements, you can protect your cells and enhance their ability to repair and regenerate. Start by becoming more aware of the products you use and the food you eat. Opt for organic foods when possible to avoid pesticides, and choose natural cleaning and personal care products to reduce your exposure to harsh chemicals. Additionally, try to minimize your exposure to air pollution by avoiding heavily trafficked areas during high pollution times and using air purifiers in your home if necessary. Drinking plenty of water also helps flush toxins from your body, aiding in cellular detoxification. Just as hydration supports cellular function, it also assists in removing unwanted substances that could hinder cell repair. Regularly replacing old or potentially harmful household items like plastic containers with safer alternatives like glass can also reduce your toxin exposure. Building on our understanding of individual practices that promote cellular health, let's explore how to integrate these into a cohesive daily or weekly plan. Creating a routine that encompasses the key areas of nutrition, hydration, sleep, physical activity, stress management, and minimizing toxins can seem daunting, but it's all about taking small, manageable steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Start by setting simple, achievable goals. For example, you could decide to increase your water intake by having a glass of water before each meal, or perhaps commit to a 10-minute walk each day, gradually increasing the duration as it becomes a more comfortable part of your routine. Adding a fruit or vegetable to every meal is another small step towards better nutrition that supports cellular health. In terms of stress management, try scheduling a specific time each day for relaxation or meditation. This can be as brief as 5 minutes in the morning or evening. It's about creating a habit that your body and mind will come to anticipate and appreciate. As these various elements become part of your routine, they'll start to support each other, enhancing your overall cellular health and well-being. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the important points we've covered about supporting every cell in your body to heal and function optimally. Remember, your body is naturally equipped with the ability to repair itself, and you can actively support this process through mindful lifestyle choices. Maintain a positive and stress-free mindset to enhance your body's natural healing. Provide your body with the necessary nutrients and hydration it needs for cellular repair and function. Ensure you get adequate rest to allow your body to regenerate and recover. Keep active to help circulate nutrients and oxygen to your cells, boosting their health and resilience. Minimize exposure to environmental toxins that can damage cells and impede their repair. By understanding and implementing these practices, you empower yourself to lead a healthier life, where each cell in your body can thrive. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more content that helps you live a healthier, more vibrant life.